Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabits your skin? And can you trust that you won't blow away in the wind? Do you tether your hope?
Hello guys, finally dumating na din kami dito sa aming hotel guys, dito sa Turkey. Nasa Turkey kami for the next few days. Bakasyon kami guys, and ang ganda. As in, mag-tour tayo dito. Wait lang. So, pagkapasok mo sa right side, toilet na ganyan. As in, kadarating lang talaga namin. So yan, shower, okay naman. Nice, looks clean. And then, ano pa ba? Ang hindi lang ata malinis dito, ako lang. Grabe ang araw na ito, grabe. Last night, hindi ako natulog. Nagbiyahe na kami so early. Tapos ngayon lang kami dumating guys, ang layo. Parang, kasi naman kasi, mura yung nabili naming ticket ba. So may mga, hindi direct flight. So yun. So anyway, yan yung toilet, shower, may may shampoo and everything. So nice. And then, so sa left side naman, where you can hang your clothes. Ganyan. Tapos may paano din sila dyan. Safety box. Tapos, dito, may pa TV. And then, yung asawa ko, Char. And then, yeah, yung kalat namin. Kasi kadarating lang talaga namin. Pero may table siya. So, maganda. Pwedeng mag-computer dyan. Tapos, where? Move. Ano pa ba? Oh, may coffee things din. May maliit na ref.
So many buys that Coke in there.
Okay, let's check.
See what they have.
Yeah, you want?
I actually want in a moment.
Okay. In a moment, so not
Yeah,
now.
just do your tour.
So there's mini bar pala.
14 crowns.
And then there is the prices here. You can see. Sana hindi siya blurred, eh. See, yung mga prices. Nice. And then, so my phone, pag may emergency, may mga socket dyan. So, pwedeng mag-charge. Yung bed, very simple siya. Very minimal. Pero, matutulog lang din naman. Aircon, nice. And then, so, andito na guys. May pa-sea view tayo. Pagka ito yung parang terasa namin. Tingnan nyo naman. Ito pala yung Turkey. Char. Look at nyo. So, yan pala yung Turkey guys. Nasa talaga kami. Nasa may dagat talaga. And then, ang tawag nila dito sa lugar na to, Alanya. Tingnan nyo naman yan. Kita lahat. Wow. So, masasabi ko worth it yung pagta-travel natin ng mga all in all mga 8 hours. Ganyan. Is it
All
nice
in all,
though?
8 hours.
So how many hours then? How many hours?
We went away 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh yeah, that's right. And what time is it now?
6 in the evening.
You do it. I don't wanna answer it. Oh my God. Upo na muna tayo dito. So yun nga, ang ganda pala dito. Ang ganda ng Turkey. Parang nasa Pilipinas lang. Pero maganda naman tayo dito guys. Kasi parang tourist area siya ba. Pero yung mga, basta, very long travel today as in. Pero pag ito ba naman yung daratnan mo, tapos pagka-open mo ng terasa, ganyan yung view, I think it's worth it. So yeah, we're gonna be here. Today is, anong araw ito? Today is Sunday, tapos uwi kami by Thursday. Tapos yung nasakyan namin na van papunta dito, din, sobrang bait din. So, yun. Oh my God. Tapos ngayon, pero ang problema lang guys, kasi nga akala ko, nag-check naman ako ng weather nila. Akala ko it's gonna be warm because yung nasa Google is like 20, 21 degrees, ganyan. Pero today umulan. Maginaw siya. Wala akong dala-dalang talaga, mga jacket, ganyan. Pero let's see. May ako dito, may sweater. Si Martin din may sweater. Yun lang yung dala namin. Tapos pang summer na yung mga but we're gonna survive. Ganun.